Hey guys, we're at HKU again. I thought this was going to be the finale. Even though today's the
11 left the game.
Even though this was supposed next year was supposed to be it's 2026. The last video was supposed to be the finale,
11 joined the game.
I really decided to do one more of this year. So we are going to Admiralty on the island line, then transferring to the South Island one. Yeah, we're gonna transfer to the South Island line train at Admiralty, because the only station that we can transfer to from the lines, any of the lines to the South Island line. Sorry, I keep on messing up. Yeah, we're going to Admiralty.
Next station, Sai Ying Pun.
So yeah, we're going to Admiralty, then transferring to the South Island line towards Lei Tung. Sorry, this station is a little bit weird this time because Recastly's not on there. I'm so sad about that. So sad to miss 2020.
Next station, Shunguan. Doors will open on the left.
Yeah, sad that the year's ending. So yeah, so after that we take this line, we're gonna take the South Island line to Lei Tung. I may have to fade here because
next station, Central Interchange Station for the Tsuanwan line towards Tsuanwan. The Tungcheng line and Airport Express doors will open on the left. Leo Crafting 11 left the game.
Alright, next stop, where you have to transfer
next
to the
station, Admiralty, Interchange Station for the South Island line and East Rail line. Doors will open on the left.
I wonder why this line doesn't say the transfer to the Tsuanwan line here, though. This is at Central. Hard to find it. Sorry. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna try and hurry because I'll go down this way. There's the South Island line train. I'm gonna take the elevator this time, just to be safe on the escalator. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to fade or not, cause the South Island line
clear lag warning.
Runs. don't know.
Clear lag warning. Ground
And our
items
train
will be
is
removed
almost
in
here.
20 seconds.
Let me try to pay attention to the screen, though. Sitting in the front this time.
Clear lag removed 0 entities.
Again.
Next station, Ocean Park. Doors will open on the left.
So we're taking just 3 stops. This server is a little weird in real life because some of the exits are not built. Maybe it's because
Next station, Wangchuk Hang.
maybe it's because of not much space. I seen today, before I recorded this video, that I seen today
Next station,
that one of the exit at one of the MTR stations on the Twan Wan, and I think it's on the Twan Wan line. So that one of the exits will not be built due to not much space, and so.
SN card this gate is currently using by dressed $11.
I think I'm gonna be ending the video here. Alright, this is the end of our video. Happy New Year again. This is the last video of 2025, even though the last video was supposed to be. So, yep. Bye everybody. Oh wait, also I forgot to tell you to leave, and I got 1,000 subscribers, but I can't earn any money yet until I'm at 3,000 hours of my viewers watching time. So yep. Also, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and also tell me in the comments for more videos of this as well. But anyways, bye everybody.